Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Honor Pad 8. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open and then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and then click consent and click on this button and then click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see now I'm connected to VPN in United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.